येस धन्यवाद. नमस्कार आणि तुमच्या सगळ्यांचं सहर्ष स्वागत. वेलकम टू दिस वंडरफुल डे where we are here to unveil the statue of Bharat Ratna Shri Sachin Tendulkar, and today's day will be very special, etched in our memories, because this is happening at the iconic, at the historic Wankhede Stadium, where the great man played that match in which India won the World Cup in 2011. Along with that, the 200th test match of the great man that happened here, and all his memories start from Mumbai and originate from the Wankhede Stadium. Can we have a big round of applause for this wonderful initiative and the wonderful day that we are here for? मान्यवरांची मी ओळख थोडक्यात करून देतो, नंतर आपला एक मोठा कार्यक्रम आतमध्ये लाऊंज मध्ये सुद्धा देखील आहे. प्रथम जोरदार टाळ्यांनी आपण स्वागत करूया ते महाराष्ट्र राज्याचे माननीय मुख्यमंत्री श्री एकनाथजी शिंदे.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are privileged to have with us today a distinguished guest at the grand unveiling of the statue. Please join me in welcoming Mr. Sharan Chandraji Pawar, a prominent figure in Indian politics and former president of BCCI and MCA, whose contributions to the sport have been invaluable. His presence has enriched our celebration today.
Absolutely. Going ahead, the man himself, आजचे उत्सव मूर्ती आणि ह्या स्टॅच्यूचं आज अनावरण होणार आहे असे श्री भारतरत्न सचिन तेंडुलकर. Of course, going ahead, the office bearers of the BCCI, the Honorary Vice President of the BCCI, Mr. Rajiv Shukla, the Honorary Secretary of the BCCI, Mr. Jay Shah, the Honorary Treasurer of the BCCI, Mr. Ashish Shelar, the Honorable Sports and Youth Welfare Minister, Government of Maharashtra, Mr. Sanjay Bansode, and also present are the office bearers of the Mumbai Cricket Association.
The office bearers of MCA, also the host of this grand event, the President of MCA, Mr. Amol Kare, the Vice President of MCA, Mr. Sanjay Naik, Secretary MCA, Mr. Ajinkya Naik, Joint Secretary MCA, Mr. Deepak Patil, and the Treasurer MCA, Mr. Arman Malik.
Yes, so all the dignitaries on the dais, the office bearers of the BCCI, office bearers of the Mumbai Cricket Association, the Apex Council members of the Mumbai Cricket Association, all in attendance. We are now getting ready to unveil the grand statue. The plan is to have a big countdown from 10 going to 1, and then there's a small buzzer there, एक छोटं बटन आहे तिकडे. मी विनंती करीन माननीय श्री एकनाथजी शिंदे आणि त्यानंतर अमोल काळे यांना दोघांनी एकत्र करून ते जेव्हा बटन दाबलं जाईल तेव्हा ह्या स्टॅच्यूचं अनावरण होईल आफ्टर द काउंटडाऊन. इफ वी कॅन हॅव द काउंटडाऊन अप देअर. Yes, so may I request the unveiling, and there it is, the Sachin Tendulkar statue being unveiled at the Wankhede Stadium in presence of all the dignitaries. And what a moment this is, what a historic occasion this is. And this environment is worth having a look at. What a tribute this is. so much. We have a few photographs for you. May I first request the dignitaries on the dais, along with Sachin Tendulkar, to pose for a photo. Yes, all the dignitaries on the dais. Yes, if you can just face this way. Yes, if I could request the dignitaries to just kindly face the crowd so that we can have the statue in the background as well. Yes, first the dignitaries on the dais.